All sales professionals get objections, but the very best don't wrestle with the issue. They keep their calm and they work side by side with their prospect to find a solution. I'm JeffCWest, and in Bob Burg's in my book, Streetwise to Saleswise, Become Objection-Proof and Beat the Sales Blues, we teach a step-by-step process that you can internalize, and it will help you become virtually objection-proof in your sales model. And we also talk about 3 mindsets that we recommend you have even before you begin to work with that objection. In our previous videos, we covered those mindsets, and today I want to outline that process that we teach to become objection-proof. Step 1, control your emotions. Step 2, empathize with your prospect. Step 3, dig a little deeper. Make sure you understand their real concern. Step 4, reframe the issue. Step 5, isolate the objection. Step 6, offer social proof. And step 7, close the sale. Today I'm going to spend a little bit more time with you on that first step, control your emotions. You know, even for the most seasoned sales professionals, when you get an objection at the point of your sales conversation when you're trying to close, it creates a little bit of a collision point for you. That combination of negative emotion with logic and the resulting somatic marker, it sets you off inside. It's a trigger. So the first step in becoming objection proof is to realize when that happens, you need to control your emotions. If you react based on the feeling of that somatic marker, you're going to get into a head-to-head debate with your prospect. And nobody wins when that happens. So take a little breath, relax, and then you'll proceed to the next step in becoming objection-proof, empathizing with your prospect. We'll talk more about that next week. Bye-bye.